Good morning, children. Have a nice day. Welcome to today's EVS class. In today's class, we are going to continue the second part of the second chapter, A Snake Charmer Story. Children, are you doing your assignments regularly? Very good. Have you recalled the previous part of this chapter, children? Superb. Keep it up. Children, in the previous class, we had already learnt about the story of Aryanath's family. Through this story, we came to know about the Kalbelias and the relationship and interdependence between the snake charmers and the snakes. Isn't it, children? Now let us get into the lesson, children. Children, in today's class, let us continue Dadaji's story. Dadaji says that Aryanath's father used to travel with him since he was a young child. He learned to play the bean without being taught. Really, it's wonderful, isn't it, children? But nowadays it is very difficult because the government has made a law that no one can catch the wild animals and keep them for entertainment. Children, some people catch the snakes for their venom. Some people kill the snakes and sell their skins at high prices. To put an end to these practices, the government has made a law to ban the catching of the snakes and keeping them in houses for entertainment. Children, Dadaji says that they are very affectionate to the snakes. They have never killed the snakes or earned money by selling the skin of the snakes. Children, Dadaji says that the snakes are their treasure. They pass on the snakes from one generation to another, that is from Dadaji to Aryanath. Children, the snakes help them to earn money for their livelihood. Children, during their daughter's wedding, they give the snakes to their daughters. Really, it's amazing, isn't it, children? Children, the snake charmers depend on the snakes for their livelihood. Likewise, many people depend on the animals to earn money. For example, Madari depends on the monkey. He entertains the people by the monkey show. Parrot fortune teller depends on the parrot. The parrot takes a card and the fortune teller tells the fortune of the people. The circus people depends on the animals such as elephants, lions, etc. Can you identify this dance form, children? Yes, this is Kalbelia dance. The Kalbelia dance is the traditional folk dance of Rajasthan. Children, during the performance, they wear black embroidered dress that is similar to the snake. The movements are similar to the dance of the snakes, children. Look at this picture, children. How terrific it is, isn't it? How gorgeous the woman looks in this dress. Now let's enjoy the Kalbelia dance, children. Children, Dadaji advised Aryanath to form the bean party with his cousins to entertain the people. Children, now let us know about the bean party. The Saperas formed the bean party to entertain the people. Have you ever gone to the bean party, children? Now let's enjoy the bean party. Wow, really, it's amazing, isn't it? The musical instruments used in the bean party are bean, tumba, dol and kanjri. Children, except dol, the other three instruments are made from the dried bottle gourd. In Hindi, it is called as lauki. Children, do all the snakes are poisonous? In our country, there are many kinds of snakes. Some are non-poisonous and the 4 types of snakes are poisonous. Children, the poisonous snakes are cobra. Look how terrible it is. Common crate. Look at the pattern of the snake, children. Russell's viper, which is also called as Dubaya. And saw-scale viper, which is also called as Afai. Children, now let us know about the medicinal use of the poisonous snakes. As we had already learnt in the previous class, the snake has two hollow poisonous teeth, and these are called as fangs. Children, when the snake bites, the poison enters into the person's body through the fangs. Children, is there any medicine for the snake bite? Yes, look at this picture carefully. How the poison is removed from the snake. Children, the medicine for the snake bite is made from the snake's poison itself, and it is also available in all the government hospitals. Really, it's very wonderful to know about the medicinal use of the snakes, isn't it, children? Children, the snakes are called as the friends of the farmers. Do you know why? Because the animals like the rats damage the fields by eating the crops. The snakes kill them and they prevent the destruction of the fields. They help the farmers for their livelihood. So children, obviously the snakes are the friends of the farmer, isn't it, children? Children, thus Dadaji advised Aryanath to share his knowledge about the snakes with the children who live in the towns and cities. He also told him to help them to recognize the poisonous snakes, and they must know how the snakes became the friends of the farmers. Children, I hope you understood the lesson and enjoyed it very much. Recall the lesson and learn it, children. Children, now it's the time for today's assignment. In today's assignment, the first one, identify the picture and write a sentence about it. Second, fill in the blanks. Dash are the friends of the farmers. In India, only dash types of snakes are poisonous. Kanjari is made from dried dash. Next, match the professions with the animals used for them. Snake charmer, Madari, fortune teller, circus people. Finally, answer the following, children. Name some musical instruments used in the bean party. Name some poisonous snakes. Children, write your assignments legibly and keep it safely, children. We will meet in the next class. Thank you, children.